Welcome back to the channel, folks. It is your boy Optich here. In today's video, I wanted to make a tutorial or kind of like a step-by-step suggestion guide, and if you are trying to make a YouTube channel in 2024. I wanted to speak on some tips that I've learned from that can help you guys out as well. So let's get started right with today's video. So I've been making gaming content for over a decade now, so I got a lot of experience in terms of like what things you should do and what things you shouldn't do, especially when you're starting off your YouTube channel. Now, first thing first, I started my YouTube channel 10 years ago. It means like I started when I was like 13 years old. So all of my teen years I've been making YouTube gaming content. So I learned a lot of different things. First things first is that at the start when I was making videos, I had no idea what I was talking about, to be honest, and I was actually pretty surprised to see a lot of different individuals tuning into my videos, even though that I wasn't mature enough or I didn't have that factor that like people want to tune in for, no personality in my earlier videos. But still, I seen a lot of success just because I was staying consistent. Now that is one thing to understand. At the start, a lot, like over 90% of content creators stop their consistency. At the start, when I started my first channel, Nizion, I made one video every single day, whether it was a flop or whether it was a success, until I started to see views. I made sure that I posted every single day and that I continue that throughout the first few months of my YouTube career to build a foundation and to figure out what I wanted to do. At the start, I was just posting a lot of random videos. Even though I wasn't seeing a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of interactions, I was still trying to figure out how I can edit, how I can optimize my videos, how I can create my own logos, banners, thumbnails, all of that, so I can minimize overhead and I can do everything myself. I still really do enjoy that progress and that process even till this day, because I like making my own content. I like editing my own content. I understand a lot of content creators out there, just for time's sake, they like to send out their videos to be edited by another individual or a company. But for me personally, making your own original content, just the process is very, very fun. And a lot of people will like to enjoy it as well. Now, another tip is to first really get used to a free editing software, whether that's Windows Movie Maker, whether that's CapCut, whether that's Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, or if that is Final Cut Pro on Apple. Get used to a video editing software, just how to like split clips, how to add images, content, text, captions, all of that. It's one search away on YouTube and you can figure all of that out. It'll take you about a day or two to get started with the, rookie stuff. And over just editing a lot of your PS5 clips or Xbox or PC gaming clips that you have, just edit those just to practice. Also try to practice being in front of a microphone because that will really help you. One thing for me that was a struggle at the start when I started my YouTube channel, as I was like 13 years old, I didn't have a pretty intermediate vocabulary, I should say. Like I really did not know what I was saying in these videos, and it really did show in terms of like the viewership and everything, right? So I tried my best to just practice being in front of a mic, whether that was posting the videos and seeing constructive criticism in the comments. Embrace it, take those comments not to heart, but actually how you can improve your content going forward. That is something that really did help me. And, interact with your audience. Even if you get a hate comment, interact with it. If you get a good comment, interact with it. And try to build a community from the get-go. Now, another thing is, like I said, staying consistent, but also to try putting a twist on something that is already out there. Now, about 90% of content creators out there do not make original content. They just take an idea and they put their own twist to it. That's just how the world is now. It's so saturated. The gaming space and the gaming sphere in YouTube and TikTok is very, very saturated, so competitive. So it's really hard to find a original YouTuber unless you do obviously have those ideas. Obviously, don't be afraid to put that out there, but try your best to take an idea that's already working for someone else and put your own twist to it. Maybe it's more of a higher quality video. Maybe it's more of a entertaining video in your eyes, right? You want to put that content out there. Stay consistent, keep a schedule, right? If you aren't really working or you aren't doing school and you have a lot of free time in your hands, it's the perfect time to set out a schedule and like maybe to set out like what days, what kind of content you're going to be pushing out. So say for example, you are trying to make NBA 2K content, right? You're making it around the NBA game and you start off with the first start of the year, and you show your progress throughout the year. So you want to like do a step by step every single day. So Monday you're going to do this kind of video, Tuesday you're going to do a my team, Wednesday you're going to do a my career video, Thursday you're going to do a how to tutorial, Friday you're going to be doing a gameplay tips tutorial, right? These are all some ways that can help you gain an audience very, very quickly, and will help you stay away from like just posting one video and then waiting for it to get views. Because I know a lot of individuals, what they like doing is when they create a YouTube channel, they like to post like 1, 2, or even 3 videos and just wait for a few months until they start to see traction and start to see interactions, and then they come back and try to continue making videos. Now, what that does is it shows YouTube and it shows the algorithm that this guy is not trying or this girl is not trying. And that's not what you want to do. What you want to be doing is staying consistent with your quality content. Try your best, even if you don't have the funds to be using a high quality microphone and to use a game capture device, to upload at the highest possible quality. If you need a microphone, you can literally use any modern smartphone and it actually sounds very, very good. You'd be surprised if you use the recorder app on your iPhone, how good it actually sounds. Alongside of this, don't be recording your screen with your phone, right? Try, if you have a PS4 or PS5 or a modern day Xbox, you can literally just save video clips and upload and edit straight from your console itself. I made a short a few days ago on how you can use Share Factory. Similarly, on Xbox, you can use that application to edit and then post directly from your console. It's very easy these days to be doing that, especially if you are on PC. On PC, there's hundreds of applications and hundreds of tools that can help you see success in the long run. And now to just give you some closing motivation, essentially what you want to be doing is also branding your content. As long as you learn how to like do a little bit of branding, like creating your own a logo, banner, thumbnail, very, very easy. Keep it streamlined, keep it simple. You don't need to be overcomplicated. I personally like doing graphic design, so you can see my stuff is a little bit intermediate. But like, if you don't really care about like how your channel looks, just try to base your thumbnails similar. Make sure that all your thumbnails stay kind of the same, using similar fonts so that people can recognize you in the crowd of all the thousands of videos out there in your specific gaming niche. So that's been it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming content just like this. And if you want, stay tuned. Be sure to hit that bell notification to get updated with more videos just like this. It's been your boy Optich, and I will be catching you guys all in my next video. Goodbye.